For nearly 30 years, Canon 4 has been in the imaging and printing solution business. From our humble background of carbon paper and ribbons to today to a very sophisticated laser printer and copier. We want to show you a little bit about our life and our legacy. Family, that's the basis of our business. My father and I started the business 30 years ago in a humble garage out on the east side of town. It is our intentions to have every employee, friend, family member, customer, and vendor feel a part of our family. Canon 4 has had a very rich legacy in the city of Indianapolis. From today with my three brothers and I to yesterday with our grandfather Harry Groney bringing the carbon paper and ribbon business from Cincinnati to Indianapolis. Harry then transitioned the business to his brother Stanley Groney. From there it went to his son-in-law Bernie Mitten and to his other son-in-law Richard J. Jones, our father. In 1975, Richard Jones started Canon 4. The foundation of every family is set with the patriarch and matriarch. Our grandfather, Harry Groney, and his wife, our grandmother, Elsie Groney, set a very high standard for the importance of the family. Harry had a beautiful blend of being a successful father, husband, and businessman. Canon 4 is still incorporating the values that Harry and Elsie set for us. Canon 4 would not be where it's at today if it was not for our two uncles, Dave Ritchie and the late Bernie Minton. Both Bernie and Dave worked for Kelock's manufacturing company. Bernie helped us start the business in 1975, and Dave has been our corporate attorney since 1975, actually drawing up our original letters of incorporation. Both men have served as a mentor, a father, and a friend. Today, the Canon 4 family has extended to over 100 people in 3 different states. One of our favorite people in the Canon 4 family was Brian Treloff. We lost Brian to leukemia. His enthusiasm, his friendly smile, and his zest for life will always make Brian an active part of the Canon 4 way. Canon 4 has been extremely consistent in our vision to be in the printing and imaging solution business. In the 1980s, we elected not to be in the office supply business.
We did that because of our strong partnerships with Hewlett-Packard, Lexmark, Okidata, Panasonic, Hitachi Data Products, Printtronics, and Troy. Our relationship with these companies has positioned us as a premier solutions company in our region. No company has had a more significant impact on Canon 4 than Hewlett-Packard. Since 1987, Canon 4 has followed Hewlett-Packard's lead on the printers, copiers, service, and supplies. Our values and philosophies are very closely paralleled. We even both got our start in a small garage. At Canon 4, we have a value statement that is our core. It is the Canon 4 way. We no longer have to explain that to people. They just know what the Canon 4 way means. It empowers people to make the right decision and to do the right thing. It's very simple. If Canon 4 takes care of its employees, the employees will take care of the customer, and the customer will take care of your profits. We have a very high retention level because of this, both with our employees and our customers. One of the milestones at Canon 4 was when we became the IBM Dealer of the Year in 1989. This put a small company in Indianapolis on the national map. We develop our relationships with our vendors the same way we develop our relationships with our employees. We have a strong commitment for mutual success, and that's why we have been asked to be on advisory councils for IBM, Lexmark, Hewlett-Packard, and Imation. Canon 4 has found that the secret to human relations is our passion for service, but don't take our word for it.
Well, Canon 4 and Inland started working together back in the 60s. Inland was its very first customer, and we used ribbons at that time.
We've built this relationship now dating back to 1998, which is a very important relationship for us, and we consider them a very critical vendor.
It's a very seamless relationship, and their pricing is good. They're always very competitive, and service is just very, very good.
We now have an extensive cartridge program with them, supplying all 85 of our locations around the country.
Their integrity is above reproach. Their service technicians are very courteous.
Really, our folks feel that the timeliness on their service calls is the thing that differentiates them. Very responsive to our needs.
We don't have to follow Cannon 4 around, don't have to police what they do. They're a great partnership. We set the program up, it's done. I don't have to contact them or worry about it. It just goes forward.
Cannon 4 will provide a price that is sustainable, one that you won't have to worry about shopping on a regular basis because they'll be fair. They'll provide service that is timely and responsive, and that they've developed some really neat systems as it relates to supplies reordering that'll make your own organization even more efficient.
And it's amazing when somebody brings up a toner supplier question, that's the first thing out of my mouth. Call Cannon 4. You will never be disappointed.
As you can see, we take customer service very seriously at Cannon 4. We made sure our showroom and service center suits the needs of our walk-in customers. When my grandfather Harry sealed his first few deals, he couldn't have fathomed the change in communications. From phone to fax to computers to emails today, customers have more options than ever before. In the early 1990s, Cannon 4 began to exercise those options, offering customized service based on customers' wants and needs. With more than 150 years of combined experience, Cannon 4's certified service technicians are expert in their field. Their knowledge in printers, service, and supplies helps empower the customer to make the right technology choices in their business. Every day, truckloads of printers and supplies leave Cannon 4's warehouse for delivery to clients nationwide. With the largest printer parts inventory in the state of Indiana, Cannon 4 service technicians have the resources to repair 95% of the customer's printer problems on site the first time. Just like technology, Cannon 4 has continued to evolve. The evolution of Cannon 4 from key locks carries on what is nearly a century of business and family tradition, much of which you've just witnessed on this journey through our heritage. Presently, we continue to operate in the tradition of family founders, guided by a strong work ethic, a commitment to quality products, our community, and a willful desire to please. As we continue to write a new chapter in the Cannon 4 history, we invite you to be a part of our future. Please come and experience the Cannon 4 way.